Hi guys, it's Jonathan from Clubs WA and I'm here to show you guys the next step on how to improve and energize your club's branding. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our Canva video that's already been up, as it'll make using this application much easier. So Biteable is quite similar to Canva, except it's a platform for your club to make a video instead of an image or a poster. Videos such as adverts, safety and training videos, tutorials and many others. The video can be whatever you want to display. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be continuing our theme of the quiz night and making a brief sort of informative teaser advert. So onto the computer. So first things you want to do is type in Biteable on Google, and then you want to click on the link. So this will take you to the page. So you will have to make an account. It is free to use, and once you do, you can log in. It'll take you to account. And so this is Biteable's homepage, and as you can see there are a variety of templates and video designs that you can choose from. So you have adverts, explainers, and if you scroll down you have animations and so forth. All of these have been categorized. You can use templates depending on what kind of video you want to create. So for our quiz night, we want to create a sort of informative, light-hearted advert, so we can browse through and select something that we might like. What you can also do as well is hover your mouse over the video and it will play you a little preview. You can always press the preview button as well, as you can see. So if we scroll down to up, we might use this one, so let's get into it, and you can press edit video to get into the editing screen. Okay, so this will take you to the editing screen, and as you can see it might look a bit confusing at start, but I promise you it's not, and we'll run through the basic steps. So at the bottom left is your play button, as you can see, the play video. This will help you to play the video and it will run through any edits that you take. You can keep going back and play the video. As you can see, it might be a bit laggy, so bear that in mind, but the final product won't be like that. So next to the play button is all the videos that are stacked up together. Now, if you want to change the order, you just have to simply click and drag to wherever you want to position it. You can also change the length by clicking on here and then just dragging up. You want to make it shorter or longer. The next step is to add text. So as you can see, there's an add caption section here. So you click on that and that will bring up an add caption. So you press that and it'll open a text for which you can edit. From here you can just edit and enter whatever text you like. So for our quiz night, I'm just going to add dance into our quiz night. And then what you can do as well, you can change the font as you'd like, and you can also change the size and the color and so forth to whatever you want to suit it. And now if we go back and we press play video, it should play the video with your text over it. So it turns out I know how to teach you guys how to make a video, but apparently I don't know how to spell. So I'm going to go back and edit the word to hour and correct that mistake. Alright, so now it looks correct, and you can go and play video and play it, and you can see that it looks better. Now as you can see, there are already multiple videos that are on the bottom, and you do not have to select all of these. So if you do want to delete some, all you have to do is click on the three dots, as you can see, and that will give you a delete or duplicate scene option. You can either duplicate it or delete it. For this purpose we're going to delete it, and then as you can see it's gotten rid of that and it's replaced it with the other one. Now there's already pre-existing music on the video which you can choose. So if you just click on that music icon down the bottom, it will take you to a variety of stock soundtracks that you can choose from, all of which you can preview by pressing play. And if you like one, you can always press this button up here and then it will transfer it down to the bottom. Now you can also upload your own music by pressing the upload, and you can either drag and drop or find it on your computer. So we're just going to keep the same music that we have going on here, and we don't want to change too much. So the next step is showing you how to replace the background of your video. So we've already completed this part, so we're going to move on to this section here. We're going to click on here. As you can see, it's a dancing video, and maybe you want to replace it. So all you have to do is click on the screen, and as you can see on the right hand side is a replace background section. So you click on that, and this takes you to Biteable's stock videos and images. So it has a variety of pre-existing stock videos and images which you can choose from. But if you do want to upload your own, say for example you had an event, you can upload it and make your own video by just dragging and dropping or finding it on your computer. So because we don't have any stock footage, we're just going to go here, and since our quiz night is held at a hypothetical bar, we're just going to go in the search and we're going to type in bar. So as you can see, it comes up with a lot of stock videos that you can choose from, and you can always preview them by hovering over it. So we can just choose any that we like. So we'll choose this one here. We like that one, so we'll choose that one. And so once you click on it, it will download it and replace it as the background you had earlier. So if you just click on here, as you can see, if you add caption to that video, it takes a while. You can see it's replaced it with that background. And so we can edit the text here as well, and we can say Perth bar. Okay, and then once you're finished and you're happy with the text, you can go back and play it, and it'll play the video from the start. And as you can see, once it plays through, it will show you that it's replaced the background, as you can see. Okay, so we're just going to press pause, and that's how to replace the background. So once you've added and changed your background, you can do so for all the other videos, and as much or as little as you want, until you feel like you've completed the video. Once you feel like you're there, here's a cool tip so that you can download it for your different media platforms. So you go up here on video settings on your top right, and you click on that. So this shows you different dimensions and sizing to which you can download. For example, the 16:9 is great for YouTube and websites. This is great for stories, Instagram, Facebook for 1:1, and so forth. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to download it for the 1:1, which is for Facebook and Instagram, and then you just want to press save. Now another thing as well is, if you want to purchase the video without the watermark, you're going to have to buy it, but you can always get it for free with the watermark on. So we're going to go ahead and click save. And it's going to take a while. So you can see up the top it says your video settings has been saved, and you can see it's changed the dimensions of the video already. Now to the easy part is downloading it onto the computer. So next to video settings you have your download tab. So you just want to click on that, and like I said earlier, as you build your watermark video is free, but you have to pay for the one without it. So we're just going to go build a watermark video, and it's going to load it, and it's going to edit the video, and it's going to download it back to the bottom left of your screen, and from there you'll be able to take it onto your computer and put it in all your media platforms. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we hope that this can help improve your club's branding. While it was quite easy to use for us, it might take you a little while. If you are stuck, you can always use the Biteable Help Center, which has the solutions to all your problems. If not, you can always contact us or email us. Here's a finished product of what our video looks like, just to give you an idea of the finished product. But in the meantime, good luck.